Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I finally found some motivation today because my son left to go to New York with my parents, and so he's gone for like the week. And I was like, man, I'm gonna sit down and play with some makeup today. So I wanted to do like an all pink everything, pink monochromatic, like pink eyes, pink lips, pink cheeks, the whole thing. And so I used the Bad Habit Aphrodite palette, and I used these few shades, this pinky purple one up here, this blushing shade right here, this crush shade right here, and then this darker shade I used to line my eyes with. And so just a few shades out of this palette. I think this is a really pretty palette. It's like the all pink. It's one of those dupe palettes that I was sent by Bad Habit. I really like those palettes. They're cheap and I really like them. So if you want to see this all pink everything, then just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I'm going in with the shade Blushing. This is in the second row, fourth shade over. I skipped the brown that I always put in my crease because I'm doing all pink everything today. So I'm putting the pink shade into my crease. And I'm just working that back and forth. And I just keep building that up until I get it to the point that I want it to be. I always like to use tape on the outside of my eye because that just keeps it from getting too rounded off. I have a tendency to want to round off my eyeshadow on the outside, so that's why I use the tape. It just keeps me from doing that. Okay, now I'm going in with the shade Flirt. This is the top row, fourth shade over, and I'm just working that just into the crease and just kind of keeping it localized right there. And so it's not getting too out of hand or anything because I didn't want to overdo the pink where it was kind of overtaking the first pink. So I tried to keep it right, like localized to the crease. And now I'm just going to go back in and just keep working that a little bit and building that up. I'm just going to keep using the same shade. Okay, this is the shade Crush. This is in the second row, second shade. And I'm just taking that with my finger and lightly packing that onto the lid. I like to bring my lid color over just because my eyes are small. So I try to utilize what lid that I do have. And so I just keep building that up until I like it. Okay, now I'm going in with the shade Seduction. It's in the second row, fifth shade over. And I'm basically making me a little wing with that. I don't want, like, I really wanted to keep it light and fun. And I didn't want to overdo, like, a wing liner or anything. So I just took that shade and kind of built me a little wing there. I thought it looked cute. It was kind of hard to build up to, but I did like that. Okay, now I'm going with the shade Tease. This is the first row, second shade, and just kind of lifting up my eyebrows because they are falling, girls. Okay, now I'm going in with the Honest Beauty mascara. Influencer sent me this a while back, and I kind of fell in love with it. I've been using it like every time now. And so I can just go ahead and put the primer on, and I like that. It gives my lashes a little extra something because I cannot grow hair, I cannot grow eyebrows, lashes. I just don't grow hair. And so I have to, I really like this primer. I don't know. And then I'm putting on the mascara and see how it just kind of starts like coming together. I really kind of have fallen for this mascara. And I usually don't use a lot of drugstore stuff, so that one surprised me. I've had it forever, and then I just broke it out, and it was like, okay, I see you. All right, now I'm going in with this. I even gotta look what this is. Pixie by Petra eyeliner in Opal Overcoat. I was sent that in a box, I think, and so I just happened to grab that. Basically, any kind of pinky shade that you have. And then I'm going back in with the shade Blushing, the one that we started with, and just running that under my eye very lightly. And then I'm gonna coat my bottom lashes, finish it up. I think this look is so cute. I feel like a Barbie doll in this one. So I think this all pink makeup is very cute. Alright guys, so this is my final look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. And do not forget to pray for someone today because they could be waiting for your prayers to receive a blessing. So don't forget to take that little time out and pray for someone today. Alright, I will talk to you guys later.